Okay, I got this keyboard in a box of stuff that I was given. It's pretty filthy. Hewlett-Packard. I know for a fact that it works. But since it's filthy, I've always been wondering if these were dishwasher safe. Well, I'm about to find out. Okay, so once it's done, you want to take it out before the dry cycle. Okay, it's been 1 week since I ran this keyboard through the dishwasher. I left it out on the patio for a couple days to dry out. Having this hot weather helps. And it appears to still be working correctly after drying out, so I guess keyboards are dishwasher safe. Nice and clean and smooth. Maybe I should try running some other equipment through my dishwasher.